Okay, Daksh, last day of training. So I wanted to get some feedback for how it's going on. So पहले गेस्ट का इशू से शुरू करते हैं. आपको इशू था कि ये जो है दौड़ के जाता था, गेस्ट आते थे, डोरबेल जाती थी. अब कैसा है?
So now तो it's very much handled. पहले जैसे इशू था कि
Hmm.
doorbell बजते ही he wants to come to the door. You cannot handle him. And obviously there's some two types of guests. Some are very friendly with dogs and some are scared of dogs. तो जो डरे हुए होते थे उनके लिए that was like fearful. They would even avoid coming in. But now
अच्छा.
this all is very much sorted. मतलब I try, especially with leash. जब मेरे साथ होता है, he is very calm. He'll go smell the guest once. पहले jump करता था उनके ऊपर.
Right.
अब जंप नहीं करता है. उसके बाद हिल सेटल डाउन, एकदम रिलैक्स, इवन एकदम स्ट्रेट ले डाउन कर लेता है. पहले वो नहीं था. पहले ही वांट्स टू बी पूरे टाइम कम ऑन द सोफा, बी ऑन देयर लैप एंड एवरीथिंग. बट नाउ इवन इसको दूसरे रूम में नहीं रख सकते थे जहाँ गेस्ट बैठे हैं, वहीं से बैठना होता था. बट अब एक बार उसने स्मेल कर लिया, इंस्पेक्ट कर लिया, उसके बाद इवन आई कैन टेक हिम टू माय रूम एंड ही विल बी काम. ही डजंट वांट. पहले
Okay.
मेरे रूम में जाते ही विल कीप बार्किंग.
Okay, at the guest sitting on.
Yeah, like
So
why I'm in the room is ऐसे कि I
Okay.
want to be with them.
yeah, so you're right. So the dog should not be separated from the guests or the caregiver. Just like we did a few minutes back, make sure he is there in the same room but calm and
Quite.
quiet, and then he can meet with the guest. So no longer he is running to the door or anything like. Okay, great. So try that with a couple of guests, the excited one, the fearful ones, and guide them accordingly how we discussed. Okay, what about walks? He was pulling a lot on the leash. How is that going on? How are the walks quality?
Yeah, so initially I'll be honest, पहले ये इतना वॉक पे जाता भी नहीं था. तो जब भी जाता था he was over excited. So he will be front, हमारे से आगे, हम पीछे होंगे. Like it was, ये हमें खींच रहा था, not like we are taking him a walk.
Okay.
But now he's very calm. He's used to like the habit कि मुझे वॉक पे तभी लेके जाएंगे जब either he is with me, like right beside me, or behind me.
Okay,
Usually he's
good.
right beside me, no leash pulling. He stops when I want him to stop. He starts walking when I want him to walk. पहले it was opposite. He was
Yeah.
like going ahead, pulling कि मुझे अभी यहाँ जाना है,
Usually
वहाँ
that
जाना
is,
है.
yeah.
So it's much better.
Yeah, so use those techniques and approach. You know, आगे चल के if you have a Rottweiler, which is hefty dog, same approach will. It's not the
Breed of
muscular strength or the strength of the leash.
Yeah.
It's the energy and the approach you are taking to walk the dog.
Right.
Great. Dog aggression. काफ़ी था ये पहले dogs पे lunge करता था and used to bark and all. How is that going on?
Very good. So like I think the first time when you were also there, first walk पे we took him, उतरते ही the first interaction he had with the dog, stray dog, that was very aggressive. But right now also like every day there's 3-4 stray dogs in this vicinity, and like he not even meets them, like now he's so used to seeing them that he doesn't even like fixate on them or bark at them. He's just walking, doing his own walk. He's
Okay.
able to be like side by side to them. Pehle it was like we have to change the route if we see a dog because he will get into a fight or something.
So Abhi, can you? We saw, yes, you can, but again, for caregivers who have not seen the
Yeah.
other video, are you able to walk him past the strays without him barking or lunging?
yeah,
not a
100%, no
problem.
problem with
Okay, so good. So just layer that with what we have discussed. He needs to meet private dogs also on a daily basis. You should target good quality interactions with at least 2
Got it.
dogs.
Got
Okay. And then maintain that. Once you find that those are the right match for meeting with him, based on what we discussed, he should socialize with them daily basis. Okay, great. Now let's come to the major 2 pain points जो आपके थे. एक तो टोमेटो का था.
Yeah.
पहले मुझे बताओ क्या सिचुएशन थी, फूड का एग्रेशन, रिसोर्स गार्डिंग का क्या इशू था?
So for him, since like I would say एकदम starting से when he was literally a very small baby, इसके लिए tomatoes was one of like the biggest treat. बाकी food से ज़्यादा he would love tomatoes.
हाँ.
Dog treats से ज़्यादा also he would like to eat tomatoes. So अगर घर पे tomatoes आए हैं, he wants to first like, and फ्रिज में भी नहीं जाने देता था, वॉश भी नहीं देता था कि पहले मुझे दो. If he sense किसी के हाथ में भी टोमेटो, he'll try to grab it and that's okay still. Like अगर हमने उसे दे दिया, and also no timetable, ऐसा नहीं कि कब एक बार दिन में, जब भी टोमेटो इसे दिखा he wants tomato.
Okay.
And उसके बाद अगर दे भी दिया, then it was like if it's kept here
Hmm.
and someone passes through it even like, not with the intention to pick it up, then also he'll grab his feet, try to bite, growl, everything.
Right.
And if you try to pick it up, then
That's
it
a definite no-no.
yeah,
Okay.
then he will go like full on.
So between chicken and tomato, what was the higher reward for him?
For him, it was tomato.
Tomato. Okay. So tomato is like complete no-no.
Yeah.
All right. So that was before. What's the status now? We did a couple of
Yeah.
attempts.
So now
What's
it's
going on now?
Like after the training and everything, if even like he won't even grab the tomato right now until like I give it him with my own hands or I
Okay.
let him do it. Pehle it was like he was in control. Now we have done so many exercises several times by keeping the tomato in middle, and I would be like far away from it, and he would be near tomato, but he'll still not take it until I ask him to do it or I give it him from my hand to his mouth.
So now he understands. So just make him sit. He's getting excited with the kite. Now he understands that if the tomato is kept before him, but you possess the item.
Yeah.
So ultimately, finally, when you give him, he takes that.
Yeah.
Okay. So do that in the final one. I mean, it should not be that he cannot
Yeah.
have the tomato,
Yeah.
but as you rightly said, under your direction.
Got it.
Okay. Can you pass by him or
Yeah,
without him
yeah,
biting?
100%.
Okay, great. So you can take the tomato from him and also
Yeah.
pass by him. Great. Okay. All right. And are you able to do the same thing with the chicken?
Yeah,
Chicken
so-
bowl. Can you remove the chicken bowl?
Yeah, so now it's like for last 2 days, I would say, his last meal when I was there, I would make sure to do the practice of like keeping the bowl in my hand with my thumb inside it. So he will take it, and I'll take whenever he grabs a piece, I'll take the bowl back.
Okay. What's
That's
his
fine now.
reaction?
He doesn't react.
He doesn't
He'll
bite.
eat that piece, and after he's done, he'll not even like try to be excited. He will sit down and wait to like get the bowl. and
Okay,
go.
again.
Yeah.
So he doesn't growl or anything when you take away the
No.
food bowl. Great. Okay, great. All right. Next is the bed exercise.
Yeah.
So tell me what was going on previously and
So
where we are
he
now.
had a very bad habit to like sleep on the. It was not majorly in the daytime, but for the night he would sleep in my bed the whole night with me.
Okay.
And if someone else apart from me in the morning comes to like lift him up from the bed or make sure that he is not on the bed, or even to like wake me up for that, like if they're close to him on bed, he feels like they're gonna pick me up or they're gonna put
Same
me
like
out of the-
tomato.
yeah.
Just the proximity used to
Yeah.
trigger him
So he'll growl, try to grab the hand or whatever
of the person.
of the person is trying, like coming near the bed.
Okay.
Even not like sometimes not to pick him up, just to wake me up, but he'll feel that like I'm in danger, like they're trying to pick me up or something. But it was not with me. I was able to pick him up and keep him down anytime. But it
So
was
others cannot approach the bed
yeah.
or definitely not picking
Yeah,
up.
but that
Okay.
was also thing majorly night, जब
Night
early
time.
morning time when जब maids वगैरह आती थी to clean the room, so sometimes they would like get scared इसकी वजह से कि we'll do it after I am awake, because when I am awake I was able to put him down and make sure he's down.
Yeah.
But कोई और tries to pick him up or lift him up from the bed, that was
Okay.
a no-no for
So
him.
we did a couple of exercises. I showed you how I could
Yeah.
pick him up and move him
Yeah.
to the floor, or use the invasion strategy, which I call invasion, to move him away from bed. But you are right. A part of that messaging should come from you. When somebody else comes to pick him up,
Yeah.
you need to support that energy by giving him the message that he should not protect you.
Got it.
Okay. How is that going on now? What's the situation now?
It's better now, like for especially, so I would say, like we discussed, there were two methods that we basically
Yeah.
use. Out of that, the invasion method is working much easier for the other people. But like still there's a certain way I would say to pick him up. That's more harder way.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
Definitely.
so that's gonna, I think, take some more practice
Okay.
from others. But for the invasion part, I think that's good. We are pretty good with that.
Okay. So work on that. Build the other
Yeah.
parents' confidence with the invasion approach, and then in future they should be able to
Pick him
up confidently and put him down.
Yeah.
So we were going to try one more attempt now.
Okay.
Okay, great. So the key message is just like tomato, you own the bed now, right? And the other caregivers own the tomato and the bed.
Yeah.
So he should get that message.
Got it.
Okay. All right. Separation anxiety. We did a couple of attempts on that. Did you get a chance to practice what's going on now?
Yes. So for that, I would say we are like 75% there.
Okay.
He's okay if they're so it's not with other members, but like he's more attached to me. So he was like a tail of me. So wherever I was going, he was behind me all the time.
Hmm.
Even in the washrooms, he would like sometimes barge and try to come in the washroom as well.
Hmm.
But now we have come to a phase like I can be in another room. The only condition is someone of the family members should be around him. Like first it was like even if their mom and dad is around him, he will still, and I am not in the room, he'll still come follow
Okay.
me to my room. But now if like there are some people around him that he's familiar with and I go away from him, he's fine.
Okay. So so he's not anxious when he's separated from you.
Yeah, but like if he's all alone,
Yeah.
that's when he'll try to come
So
find me.
that's the message I wanted to deliver. So now you probably understand that the others also need to step up
Yeah.
and do the same exercise, because he will find the least resistance energy and go towards
Yeah.
that, right? So if all the other caregivers also do the separation anxiety exercise, he will learn to be comfortable in his own skin, just stay there and the others are away. Okay, so work on that, try to get more, have more time of separation between you and him,
Yeah.
and work from there. Okay, potty training का क्या है अभी? Potty training भी spray नहीं आया ना अभी?
No, it's gonna be arriving like 3 days, I think.
ओके, सो अभी पहले तो हर जगह ये पी
Yeah.
और डेफिकेट करता था, अभी क्या सिचुएशन है?
So earlier also like it was our fault as well because he इतना walk पे जाता ही नहीं था.
हम्म,
But now there was also, I told you about one incident where it was raining in the morning, so he couldn't go for the morning walk,
हम्म,
and he for sure had to poop because he wasn't like passing out for the whole day.
हाँ,
He waited for me to come. I came around like 1 in the afternoon, and he was waiting for me.
You
I
are
came-
ruthless.
I took him immediately for the walk, and he like did everything outside the house, so it's
Great.
much better now.
Okay, so is he still defecating or peeing inside, or how's that?
Not really, but like I think yesterday was the first time in like last 5 or 6 days,
Hmm.
because I don't know, like he did pee inside the house,
Hmm.
but it was after that I took him down again, as you told, like the way
Okay,
if
yeah,
he does it
yeah.
sometimes, just make sure to take him
Right.
immediately outside. So I did that, but apart from that, I think it's much better. I would
Okay,
say.
so in 5 days there is one incident,
Yeah.
one accident.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's really good, because you have not started to use the potty
Potty
spray
spray,
right now.
yeah.
Once you have that
It
as
will
a
be much
supported,
better.
then it will be even better.
Yeah.
All right. So mm, work with him on the schedule, the routine, and everything, and it will also go away. Very good. All right. So how many days did it take to resolve all these issues?
It's a 6th day today,
Yeah.
and I would say majority of the part was completed yesterday, like the 5th day.
Hmm.
So 5 to 6 days is a good timeline. Like 6 days, there's drastic change. He's
Right.
very well disciplined. Like in general, his whole behavior is changed. He's more calmer. He's more like
You are calmer. I think Sonu would have also noticed. ये भी he has taken up leadership, right? Can you sense he has become more calm and confident? ये ज़्यादा calm और confident हो गया, right? So that's all. He will sense your energy. और जो आप बेड से निकालने की बात कह रहे हैं ना, वो बेसिकली वो सेंस कर रहा है,
Yeah.
राइट? कि जो काम और कॉन्फिडेंट है उसको अलाउ कर रहा है वो. ग्रेट, साउंड्स गुड. थैंक यू दक्ष, थैंक यू सोनू. Guys, if you like this video, please do like, subscribe and comment, and I look forward to see you next time. Take care. Bye.